Okay, there's a hole in here in my wire strippers, those top hole and the bottom hole. I'm just going to put that in here like that, stick the wire out maybe 3/16 or so, and bend it up and let it out like that. Okay, something like that. Like if you think you went too far, you can kind of pull it back a little bit. Try to see if I can do this one a little better. You see there, that one's better than this one. I don't do this every day, but it'll work. Oh, I guess I got to do the ground wire too, don't I? Because there's a ground screw on there too. Stick it through the hole, 3/16, and roll it up and out. Okay. I always like to start at the ground wire. And what I want to do is the curlicue, I want the curlicue to wrap around the screw the same way as it's going to go that I'm going to tighten it. I put it down sideways like this and maybe put a little kink in it. A little kicker up like that. I can fit it underneath that screw. And then, once I get it underneath there, then I roll it into position like that. There's a little notch in there. I can pinch that down like that. Just going to hang on to this like here and tighten that screw up. There. Now I just take that and I'm going to roll it up like that. See? Now the white wire is the neutral wire. That always goes on the left side. The left side has a notch, is bigger than the right hand side. It's also got a silver screw on the left hand side. So we're going to take this, because I'm right handed, I'm just going to slide it over like that. Put a little kicker in here, just a hair. I can slip it over the screw. Make sure these screws are unscrewed all the way. Usually from the store they are. I'm going to put it on sideways, that, and I'm going to roll it over because I want the wire to come out of the back. And I can take my strippers and pinch that together like that. Okay? Now I can tighten that side up. See, right now the plug is upside down, but I don't really care about that. All I care about is getting this screw tight. There, that. Now I can take that and I can roll that up like that. Okay? Now I'm ready for the black side. Take that. If you can do one of these, you can do all of them. Not hard to do. Now, can you go in from this end? You can, but it's very difficult to do that because I always have a tendency to want to hit the edge, see? That's why I like to roll it in from the side. It always seems like there's just a little extra room there. And get that on there, and then I want to swivel that over, see? That's why I like to strip the wire an inch, and in fact this one I should have bent a little bit further over so I could grab it beyond the plug, but I can still get it. Okay. Wedge that over. See how it's coming out the back like that. You don't want it coming out at an angle like that over this little black nib here. There's a definite notch there, and you'll see. And you notice how each one, the wire goes up and over the screw. So that's going the same direction as I'm tightening this screw. Okay, you don't want to do it the other way. I just kind of pull on this, get any slack out of it before I tighten it up. There. Okay. I can rearrange these wires like that. Okay. About ready to put that back in the hole.